Hello viewer, we are using the paint here. I will apply there and use the eraser tool, then create that shape. We will take the heart shape to generate here. It's the further custom shapes we are finding. So let's explore the different options here. Find another designs. So here are the pattern stamp we are using. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.